Hello guys, and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about hard links. So the previous lesson was about soft links, and we have seen together that the soft link is just a shortcut, a pointer to the original file. This lesson is about hard link, and the hard link command is ln. And unlike soft links, a hard link is a reference to a location in the file system itself. Let's see the difference between hard link and soft link. So first of all, I'll display the content that I have over here by the command ls. Right now, I'll try the hard link on the same file as the previous lesson, the file which is torque.txt. I'll display the file's content first by the command cat. Alright, now I have displayed the content of the file. I'll start with the soft link first, and then I'll make the hard link to see the difference between both. So to make a soft link, you will type ln -s, then /root /torque.txt, and then type the destination /root /desktop, and then /torque-soft link, and I'll press enter. And as you can see that the file has appeared over here, torque-soft link, and you can see that the small arrow sign. Alright, now I would like to display some information about this soft link, which is located under the directory desktop. So I will type ls -l, and then /root /desktop, then /torque-soft link, and enter. And in here, as you can see, I have typed the full path of the file because I am in a different directory. Right now, as you can see over here, it's telling me some information about the soft link, and it's telling me that it is just a shortcut for the original file. And it's telling me that the torque-soft link is under desktop and under /root. Okay, now I will take a hard link for the same file. I will type the command ln. For the hard link, you will type ln without -s, and then you will type /root /torque.txt, the file, and then the name of the destination that you want the hard link to be in. And I will name it, for example, torque-hard link, and I'll press enter. Okay, now as you can see, the file has appeared over here. And notice that in the hard link there is no arrow sign like the soft link over here. And that's because the hard link is not a shortcut. Hard links refer to a specific location of physical data. So now I'll get to the desktop directory, and let's see the differences between soft link and hard link. Okay, so I'll type cd and then desktop and enter. And from here I'll type ls -l to display the contents. Okay, as you see over here, the hard link here is different from the soft link. The hard link is like a file. It's not like a shortcut. It has exactly the same size as the original file. And it also has the permission at the beginning. There is a dash like the permissions of the file. So now I will type ls-l and then /root /torque sorry about that .txt. And notice here that I'm adding /root because I am in a different location, so I have to type the path of the file, and I'll press enter. And you can see here that exactly the size is the same of the hard link, is exactly like the file, and the beginning of the permission is also a dash, exactly like it. So now the hard link takes exactly the same properties as the original file. It has the same size, it has the same permissions. So the hard link is not a shortcut. The hard link clones the file with exactly the same properties. And another thing is that if you make a change in the hard link, then this change will be automatically applied in the original file. So now I'll open the hard link file from here. And for example, I will copy this. And I'll paste it a few times. Okay, so as you can see, I have pasted it a few times, and I will click on save. Okay, now it's saved. I'll close the file. Okay, now I have made these changes and saved. Let's go check out the original file. I'll type cd and 2 dots to get back to the home directory and clear the page, then ls. And now I'll display the contents of the file by the cat command. I'll type cat and then torque.txt and enter. And as you can see, the changes have been applied to the original file. Okay, now I'll get back to the desktop directory. I'll type cd and then desktop and enter, and ls-l. And now I will type stat torque-hard link and enter. And the first thing you can see over here is, unlike the soft link, in the soft link you will find here it's written symbolic link. But here in the hard link it's written regular file. So this is one of the changes. And you can see that the permissions here is 644 and the size is 282 bytes. Okay, so now let's see the difference between the hard link and the soft link if I delete the original file. I'll clear the page first. Alright, I will type rm and then the path of the file. I'll delete the original file, torque.txt. It will ask me if I want to remove it. I'll press on Y and then enter. And ls-l. Okay, as you can see that the soft link has an error now. If I try to open it, the soft link, it will tell me that it can't see, it will state a problem that it can't see the original file. As you can see over here, if I try to open it, it's telling me the file is of an unknown type. Alright, now I will open the hard link. And as you see, the hard link worked without any problems. It wasn't affected from removing the original file. So this is a difference, that if you remove the original file, the soft link will not work, but the hard link will work without problems. Okay, so now to the last part, let's see together how to remove a hard link. Alright, now to remove a hard link, you will type the command unlink and then torque dash hard link and enter. Now I'll type ls, and as you can see, it has removed the hard link. But as you can see over here, if you notice, there's still another file that is called torque-hardlink, and there's a tilde mark over here. What is this file? This file is a copy of the hardlink file before any changes have been made to it. If you display the content of this file, if I type cat and then torque-hardlink and then tilde and enter, you can see the result of the file before I change anything in it. So before you decide to make a change in the hard link, the Linux takes a copy of it so that if you need to get back to the original hard link that you took in the first time, you will. And by this lesson we have seen the hard link. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.